Good morning, students. We welcoming in our online session MVM College of Commerce, Management and IT, Rajkot, Saurashtra University. Today is the lecture number 4. BBA SEM 2 students. Subject: Advanced Techniques of Business Mathematics. Subject code 19 BBA 203. 19 BBA 203 is the subject code. Unit number 4, Mathematics of Finance. This is our course, and today is the last method, sinking fund. So this is the last lecture of this unit, method number 7, sinking fund. First of all, what is the sinking fund? And it is clear about the sinking fund. A fund created by setting aside a fixed contribution periodically and allowing it to accumulate at compounded interest is known as a sinking fund. Again I repeat, a fund created by setting aside, એટલે આપણે કેવું ફંડ ક્રિએટ કરીએ છીએ, contributions to periodically and allowing it to accumulated at compound interest. એક ફંડ અલગ ક્રિએટ કરીએ છીએ અને એને આપણે અલાઉ કરીએ છીએ કે એનું ક્યાંક ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ થઈ જાય કમ્પાઉન્ડ ઇન્ટરેસ્ટના રેટથી. સો એનું ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ આપણે રિસીવ થાય. સો ઇટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ અ સિંકિંગ ફંડ. ધ પબ્લિક કંપનીઝ યુઝ બોરોડ કેપિટલ and they have to repay it at the end of a defined time period. Besides, funds are required in large amount to replace old assets at the end of their useful life. Generally, at the end of the life of the assets, we are sold at a scrap value, and the new assets we will purchase it. For this purpose, many companies set aside certain amount out of their profit at the end of the each year. So the fund this accumulated is known as a sinking fund. We know that the total amount of annuity after end payment period, it is called, this is formula for the sinking fund. P is equal to A I upon 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. This is the main formula for the sinking fund. AI upon 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. Now write the formula. Now we calculate the question. Question number 1. A company requires rupees 40 lakh after 10 years to redeem debentures. Debentures, all of you know, it is a borrowed capital. So we are redeemed after 10 years. It is decided to create a sinking fund by investing a fixed amount every year in securities giving 15% compound interest. After 10 years, we will require 40 lakh rupees. So at their time, we are invested 15% compound interest. Find the yearly investment. So what should amount we are invested 15% rate of interest. So after 10 years, we get 40 lakh rupees. First of all, here in this type of question, we are writing a symbol. A is equal to 40 lakh. I is equal to R upon 100. So here 15 upon 100, 0.15. And we get after 10 years this amount. So N is equal to 10. And what should the investment in the every year? So it is called for P. So we find P is equal to question mark. A is equal to 40 lakh. I is equal to R upon 100. You should write symbol AINP. After that, we are applying the formula P is equal to AI upon 1 plus I raised to N minus 1. Here A means 40 lakh, I means 0.15, 1 plus I, so 1 plus 0.15 raised to 10 minus 1. લખી નાખો બે સ્ટેપ. Next step, $40 lakh into 0.15 upon 1.15 raised to 10. So this value is 1.15 raised to 10, then minus 1. In the very next step, $40 lakh into 15, so 6 lakhs, and 1.15 raised to 10 means 4.0455, then minus 1. So you get it, the answer is 6 lakhs divided by 3.0455. So you get the final answer is 197011.98 paise. So we are converted near figure 197012 rupees. We should invest every year, so you get after 10 year 40 lakh. Now write the step, and we write the last answer in the perfect manner. Therefore, rupees 1,97,012 rupees should be transferred to sinking fund each year, so you get 40 lakh after 10 years. Okay. The next question: what amount should be invested every year so as to accumulate rupees 2 lakh at the end of the 10 years if the interest is compounded annually at 11%? Here the question is what amount should invest. It means invest ની amount આપણે find out કરવાની છે. So accumulated 2 lakh at the end of the 10 year. It means after 10 year we receive 2 lakh rupees, and in the interest is compounded annually 11%. So first of all we write the symbol here. A is equal to 2 lakh, N is equal to same 10 years, I is equal to R upon 100, so 11 by 100, 0.11, and P is equal to question mark. This question is related to sinking fund. Now we apply the formula P is equal to AI upon 1 plus I raised to n minus 1. 2 lakh multiply 0.11, 1 plus 0.11 raised to 10 minus 1. In the very next step, 22,000 upon 1.11 raised to 10 minus 1. Then 22,000 divided by 2.8394 minus 1. Very next step, 22,000 divided by 1.8394. And you get the final answer is 11,960.42. So final answer is 11,960 rupees should be transferred to sinking fund every year. So you get after 10 year 2 lakh rupees. So easy method, and you calculate the question for similar method. Homework illustration number 23 to 28 and in the exercise 23 to 27. So this chapter, this unit here the complete and your course also complete. Best of luck for examinations. Thank you very much.